to another video. As you can see right here, we do not have a shifter on my S14, so we definitely need to get a shifter. And what we're going to do is we're going to go sneak into my stepsister's room and we're going to take her dildo and then we're going to turn it into a shifter, and that's going to be our new shifter. We're going to turn my stepsister's dildo into a shifter. We're going to go sneak into her room. Hopefully she's asleep. Hopefully we don't wake her up because she hasn't had dick in 3 days. Don't ask how I know this. We're going to go sneak into her room right now and we're going to go take that dildo and install it right here. Alright, let's try not to wake her up. Shh. She's sleeping right there, dudes. Let's try not to wake her up. Oh my god, dude, it's in this drawer. Yes. Very nice. Ooh, smells like tuna. Great success, dudes. We grabbed her dildo and I quickly modified it at the bottom so it can fit onto this gear stick right here. And we got ourselves a new dildo shifter. Should have washed it. Please screw on like this. And there we have it, our new dildo shifter. This is going to look so sick for drift footage now. Oh, that's actually a pretty big sucker right there. Holy crap. Keep screwing it. Damn, dudes, that's huge.
That's what she said.
Look at our floppy boy right here, man. That's sick, boss. I originally wanted to get a black one of this.
Oh, hell no!
But the only color that I had available was the purple one. And this is the 15 centimeter one. And you can actually buy a 20 centimeter one, so it'd probably sit about there. And do you know who needs a 20 centimeter one? Let's give a quick shout out to Tracy Grimshaw. Come on, guys. Yeah, dudes, now that we got this installed, I think we should go for a cheeky test drive, hit some boost, see how this feels changing gears. This should be mad for drifting, man. Look at that shit right there, man. And because I sit so far back, look at my leg full extended right there. I have to sit so far back that this is going to be easier to shift. Instead of my hand being here, reaching over there, I can just grab it up here. Boom. Simple as that. And not in the way of the handbrake either. So if I was in fourth, still not in the way. Second, not in the way. This is sick. I can't wait to try this out, dudes.
Give my dildo back,
oh no,
you
here comes my
creep.
stepsister. Oh shit, she's so pissed, man. Give it back, step bro. Shouldn't you be taking pictures for your OnlyFans? Get out of here. I'm going for a drive, man. I am not lying when I say this, dudes. My stepsister's dildo actually feels amazing, man. No shit. This actually feels so comfortable. I thought it was going to be like pretty lame to drive with. It's actually not, man. It's actually really comfortable. As soon as you go into first, second and third and fourth, it just feels like, you know, like my arm's not down here dragging. It's like up here nice and relaxed. My arm's not sore. This is going to be mad for track events, like especially when you do weekend events where you do 2 full days of driving. Your arm's going to get so tired. Because my arm is sitting up higher, it actually feels so much better with this shifter, man. So yeah, if you dudes want one of these, just get yourself a stepsister and you know what to do. Alright, next with the S14, I'm never going to have a head unit with working speakers in this car. That sound of that dose, that's music to my ears, man. I want to hear that all day long and all night, man. So that's all I need. We might chuck a neon strip somewhere in here. This roll cage, as I've explained before, has to come out, hence why I've oversprayed it, because I don't give a shit about it. It's not VIX cams approved and all that. So we're going to get this out, get a half cage made, so that way there's some headroom with my helmet, so it doesn't have to hit up against here, so that's going to be mad. Try to get the seat to sit low to the floor as well. Bit of a tall boy, no biggie. And up next for the S14, I'm still trying to find some wheels for this damn car, man. I'm wanting a set of 17x9s. And then start collecting pairs for skidders, so that way at track events I've got all 17-inch wheels. I don't want to be using stockies anymore. But for now, if I don't find any wheels, I'm going to have to be using the stockies, which sucks, but hey, you're going to make what you've got. And up next with the S14 as well, I feel like I haven't shown you guys enough of the neons that I've installed a couple months ago, so when it gets dark later, we'll film around my car. They make the S14 look so tough. And that's pretty much it for the S14 for now, until, you know, all this COVID crap goes away after I do a few track events. Pull out this RB25, redo the head gasket, ARP head studs, just freshen up a lot of things. Go get it retuned, hopefully around 300 kilowatts will make. I'm aiming for 300 kilowatts, that's plenty for this car, especially this S14 being stripped with an RB25. It's a lot of power for this car, especially for track use as well. And speaking of tracks, man, I don't think any tracks are going to be opening up this year. Hopefully something towards December they do, but if not, hopefully next year, start of January. Go back to tracks, take the 33 out to track events, take this S14 out to every drift event and get some mad drift content. So yeah, I'm going to wait till it gets dark and I'll show you guys the neons. Alright, now that it's dark enough to film the neons, let's do it. So this is what the S14 is going to look like on tracker night. The current colour is purple, but for some reason the GoPro makes it look blue. And we can change the colours here, we'll make it jump. There's that. It's going to look so good at drifting at nighttime. So yeah, I'm just showing this to the ones that haven't seen this before. I have made a video how to install these, so check it out on my channel. You'll see how to do this to your car. Pretty sick mod and very affordable. It's only like $30 for this eBay kit. It's just a bit of a hassle to install. And then we got all these other colors. We've got aqua. There we go, there's aqua. It's white. Purple. So yeah, there's a bunch of random colors I just can't see on the remote right now. It's going to be mad for nighttime, as I said. And they're pretty bright as well, just for like standard strips too. Very cheap. I ain't mad about it one bit. I just can't wait to drift this thing at nighttime, dudes. See all the photos from it, it's going to look mad. I don't have the headlights on, those are just the parker lights. So we can capture the neons. Yeah. Got all these cool jump settings and shit. Probably get epileptic fit with it. So if you got epileptic, do not look at it. That's sick, dudes. So yeah, those are the neons to the S14. Boom. Alright, now that I've shown you guys the new install of that Dildo shifter, a lot of you hit me up on my Instagram, sometimes I see comments here as well, how to get that loud dose. Honestly, my S14's got like a really nice flutter to it because it's the way I've got it set up currently on that setup. So in another video, I'm going to show you guys how to get that loud dose, that loud flutter noise. In my books, it's honestly one of the best soundings you could ever have in your car. It just makes the car more enjoyable to drive. A lot of people put like aftermarket blow-off valves just to get that loud whistle sound, like that sound, but that shit is boring as hell, man. You want to have your car dosing. It's just you can't beat that sound. There's no blow-off valve in existence that can beat that flutter sound, man. Right now we're just going for a little cruise in the R33. I'm still testing out the hydraulic lifters since I've like cleaned them out and re-bled them. giving you guys a bit of an update what's going on with it. So far it hasn't been ticking still, which is amazing. It actually feels good to drive again. That raspy exhaust note is still there, so if you listen here down low, I don't know if the camera can pick it up just good, to be honest. I need to find myself a new mic for this GoPro, because the GoPro mic gets all muffled. Yeah, I can't complain, like having the R33 functioning right now and actually being reliable again for now, for how long we don't know. I'm just really enjoying it, dudes. I love this car so much. There'll be a lot of more videos to come. Still got a lot of mods to do between both cars, so don't worry, plenty of content to come. And if you guys like that sort of content that I did at the intro, well, for this video, let me know, because my mind is like a toilet, man. It's just filled with shit tons of content. So I can make tons of stuff like that, trust me. So if you guys really enjoy it, let me know in the comment section. Funny thing is about this drive, when I was using this shifter, I was so used to the S14 being up here, so I might actually get another one for the R33. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see one in the R33. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're a new viewer, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Catch you guys later.